Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix login not available right now issue on WhatsApp. So guys, if you are trying to log in your account on WhatsApp but you're facing this message and you are unable to log in your WhatsApp account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, do this, and after this go back and open settings on your device, and then you have to scroll it below and tap on general, and then go to iPhone storage, and from here you have to go to your WhatsApp. Here it is, and from here you have to simply offload your WhatsApp app from your device for one time. So guys, do this, and if you are using Android phone, then you have to simply clear cache of your WhatsApp app on your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply restart your device for one time. So guys, simply restart your device whether you are using iPhone or Android phone, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to open settings on your device and then go to general setting, and then go to software update and update the software of your device for one time. And after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time on your device as well. Then go back and tap on language and region, and then go to region and select your country or region correctly, and then go back. And now you have to go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and then go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then open any browser and search here for WhatsApp support. So guys, here you can see this, simply search for WhatsApp support and then open this WhatsApp support section or contact WhatsApp, and from here you have to simply tap on contact us, and now you have to scroll it below and enter your phone number and select your country as well. Give here your email address, then confirm your email address, and now select your device whichever you are using, and here you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way. So guys, simply explain this problem in a brief way in this box, and after this you have to simply submit this report to the WhatsApp team. So guys, they will review your issue and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.